Thailand is a beautiful country full of amazing architecture and history. This is a story about riding through Thailand and exploring the culture and many wonders of this great land. This tour was so rewarding. Come with me for an epic adventure.
Let's see how you do under pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Okay. I'm like, wait a minute.
I heard it was here on
the exhaust. I don't know why. It's
the exhaust.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Exhaust, yeah. It just always sounds like that, like pop, 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 pop.
I was making sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Uh, so I will do some short briefing about information here of Long Neck Village. Okay. So the original name is actually called Kayan. Kayan, or we normally call them Karen tribe people, but the actual name is Kayan. So in the old traditional way, would be women who born on the Wednesday that will wear the necklace or the loop. Yeah. In the
Is that
past,
on a Wednesday?
yeah,
Oh,
the girl who born on the Wednesday,
Ah.
because they believe they're a special girl on the full moon day, full moon day. And when they wear the necklace like that, it is represent of a beautiful lady, because in the mythology they believe that the root is transformed from the swan or some dragon. So when they make it to be a long neck, it look beauty for their believing.
She gave it to her.
Oh.
Nice.
Thank you. Everything's handmade.
How much? 200 baht. Nice. Oh, check out that elephant.
Which one? Some jewelry? Oh, yeah. Oh, those.
You see how much stuff we take for granted?
Yes.
Like, they live here and happy. They live here in their huts and everything.
And so they're minimums.
Yes.
So even Italian period.
She said, stop looking at me and buy something.
Cho ông ba sao đi đâu?
Oh, they look a little bit fat, no? Yeah, they are. Oh, that's very much. Yeah.
Mama trying to clean the baby.
Down your feet. Feet on my damn hand. My damn finger off. Took one this morning, but I don't think you were there.
Yesterday, yeah. Oh, we can say that.
I just sent it to you. Use that erase picture.
Very nice.
Yeah, it gets really interesting.
What's good? That's not bad.
Stand
Look,
up the bacon. Is there a way to?
Yeah, it's okay.
But
As long as the handlebar's
handlebars
straight.
trace it,
Yeah.
it's getting just a little corner of it.
It'll still tilt.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'm just saying it's
Okay.
long.
walking into the White Temple. Like that. I'll go in with you. I'll see you on the other side. So people keep coming in.